Groove. Anna.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kored. I am the owner of this channel. This is a new channel, and in this channel I will be posting how-to videos, tutorial videos, and so on. Feel free to comment in the comment section in what you would like to see in this channel. Thank you. So today I will be showing is how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So first we have to download NotiSave app on Play Store. 2. Search for NotiSave app. 3. Download the app and open it. 4. Open the app and click Allow access to notifications. 5. Allow notification access for NotiSave. 6. Allow NotiSave. 7. Allow NotiSave access photo, media, and files on your device. 8. Wait for app list to load. 9. Fill the WhatsApp. 10. To test this app, send a message to the phone you are using to test and delete it. 11. Go to your phone and check your WhatsApp for the deleted message. 12. To see the deleted WhatsApp message, go to the NotiSave app and click on WhatsApp. 13. You will then see the deleted message on the app. Now we can see any deleted WhatsApp messages. I hope you enjoy this little trick. Give me a comment on what you would like me to do on my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.